Hi, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Ask a Heidolf Rep. My name is Frank Limpin with Heidolf North America, and today we're going to be talking about one of our shakers, the TitraMax. The TitraMax comes with a pre-molded non-skid mat that holds your microtiter plates in place even through intense shaking. Another feature of our TitraMax 1000 is the ability to adjust the speed range of the shaking from 0 to 1350 RPM. The final feature of the TitraMax models is the timer function. This allows you to set the time from 0 to 120 minutes for unattended shaking. Thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Ask a Heidolf Rep. My name is Frank Limpin. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the information listed below.